Before computers were invented, typewriters were the go-to tool for writing. They're not just mechanical computers. Certain nostalgic characteristics make them even more charming today. In this video, let's take a look at their quirks. Each time you type to the end of the line, a metal tab on the carriage catches a lever. When it releases, the lever rings the bell underneath. That is a celebration and your cue to start the next line. To start a new line on a typewriter, we use the return lever. It also serves to control single or double spacing. A whole new line, very satisfying. There are a few creative ways to handle typos. Option A, backspace and type the correct letter to cover it. Option B, backspace, type an X over the mistake, then type the correct letter after. Of course, you can always redo the whole page. But honestly, the beauty of typewriting lies in the imperfections. A little forgiveness goes a long way. A few keys are missing on a typewriter. For example, on this Royal typewriter, there's no key for the number 1. So you just use the lowercase l, and there you go, number 1. To create an exclamation mark on a typewriter, it takes 3 steps. First, type the single quotation mark, that is Shift plus number 8. Second, press backspace to get back to the previous position. Third, type a full stop. It will appear underneath the single quotation mark. There is your exclamation mark. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe and let me know if you have any questions about typewriters. I'll see you next time.